Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer any photo from Galaxy S26 Ultra to iPhone. So I'm provide a very easy way and quick way. Simply open your photo apps. You just select any photo or video. Long press to select photo and video. Press on to share option and you get quick share. Okay. Press on QR code or link and I'm get QR code and I'm get link. You just easily copy link and share this link. I'm using QR code. Just open my iPhone camera and I'm scan this QR code. Okay, press on and now successfully connect and showing here this selected photo and video. Press on to select one by one or select all. Press on to download, showing it to different way, download as individual file and download as zip file. I'm select the first option and now it's downloading. And now download all photo and video. That's it.